Hi, my name is Frank Mong. I'm Vice President of Solutions for HP Security. I'm here today with iTPro, and what we want to talk about is a couple of things with our security customers and our security partners. First of all, at HP Security, we believe that today the adversary marketplace is definitely a unique marketplace with lots of threat actors, and we have to change our approach in dealing with the threat landscape. We really have to change our security program, security practices to better defend ourselves against today's threats. One of the things that we announced recently at HP Security is something we call Threat Central. It's an intelligence sharing platform that we've built to be open standards-based, so we support STIX and TAXII. But today, to start, we support our HP ArcSight customers. It allows our customers to share intelligence with each other using the ArcSight platform. We hope to open this up broadly to all intelligence sharing technologies around the world, and certainly we want to partner with our technology partners and our customers around the world to do this. It's like crowdsourcing for security intelligence, so very similar to like a Wikipedia of information, but this is a Wikipedia for security. Most recently, we're going to talk about the Ponemon Institute study that we did together. It's our 2013 cybercrime report. In this report, it's a global study of multiple countries, but we focused on France as well. And we interviewed 27 French organizations with about 100 different interviews with 100 different people working in IT in France. And we talked about what the threats looked like to them and what was happening in their environment. And we found some interesting things that we learned. First, out of the 27 organizations, all 27 have been breached at least once a week. Every single week, they have been breached here in France. And that's very interesting to see, because once you're breached, the problem is now you have to find them. And that is exactly some of the challenges they're facing. Once they've been breached and they know they're breached, it takes about 32 days on average for them to resolve this problem. And when we looked at what kind of things are happening that's causing the breach, first, it's malicious code, malicious software. Second, it's related to insider threat. And third, it's DDoS attacks. And when they looked at those three things and looked at the time it takes to resolve it, it's 32 days on average. And on average, it costs them roughly $1 million every single time the breach happens. And $1 million, roughly $32,000 a day, $32,000 a day is the cost of the breach. Out of the 6 countries we looked at, US, Germany, UK, France, Australia, and Japan, France was number 4 in the world for cost of breach and frequency of breach. The first was US, of course, as usual. So the sample size we use is small companies and very, very big companies. So it's all sizes. So the one thing that was unique about that what we saw was small companies, when they're breached, they face the same problems as big companies, but the cost to small companies is actually greater. So when you look at per user, every time a breach happens, the time it takes to solve it, the money they have to put in is the same. $1 million is $1 million. But when you have to do it for a small company with a small amount of employees, per employee is more expensive. So, you know, the problems are there. Whether you're a small company, big company, whether you're French or American, it doesn't matter. The cost is the same.